So here we have a wax. This is how it comes off the machine, with a white support layer and the purple wax. The white support layer fills in everywhere to help the piece grow in the right way, and we've got to get all that off. So here is some 99% alcohol that I heat up and turn that magnet, let it spin. It heats up to about 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. So I just gotta wait for it to heat up. Okay, so then now it's inside, and you just let it sit and let that alcohol eat away at that support layer until it's off. Okay, so once it's off, you pull it out. Now I'll take a air can that sprays air all over it to kind of spray off any residue that's left in the alcohol. And then I'll examine it and make sure there's nothing on it and it's a clean wax. Now here I start screwing it up. First there's that little base to start, and then normally I'll put a bunch of waxes on it called a wax tree. In this case I have one wax, so I'm making a little sprue for it. And I'll attach it to the base. And once attached, I kind of fill in and just make sure everything looks like it'll flow in a nice smooth way. Now comes weighing. Do a little math so you can weigh this and figure out how much metal I'll be able to put in. Put on the rubber base. Now I get the investment ready and I weigh it. Add some water, the investment, and then just mix it up for about 3 minutes. Once it's ready, take it over to this casting machine, and I'm going to turn this on, and it's going to suck out all the air. And you watch for it to rise, and then it's going to collapse. And after it collapses, you let it run for another minute. And this is sucking out all the air. Then you turn it off and you grab your piece and you pour it in, and you turn the machine back on and take out more bubbles. Then you take it over here and I top it off and then clean up all the edges so no investment will just fall off when you do cast. Now I take off the rubber base, and that's the bottom where the wax is, and you'll put that upside down inside this kiln. That way all the wax will melt out the bottom. It's about an 8-hour cycle, and I'm going to start this for about 4 hours, and then it'll be ready in the morning.